Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports. Thanks for watching our videos. So behind me, we've got a 2022 Ford Ranger 2.3 liter EcoBoost. And behind me here, we have the production intercooler out of this truck. So we've been working on developing an intercooler for this truck for a few reasons, right? Towing a trailer on this thing, this intercooler is almost not adequate for production. Once you start putting a tune in this thing, really putting it through its paces, this thing falls short. Towing, stoplight to stoplight, after several dyno pulls, we've just seen all kinds of trouble with them. So we designed our intercooler right behind me. It's a larger core. It's almost 40% larger than that thing is. Let me put it side by side so you can see. If you come over here and look at this, side by side or right next to each other, you can really see the thickness in the core, how much larger this is right here. Also the tanks, better for airflow. This piece all the way around is just a better unit for this truck. So by the time you guys see this video, it should be very close to being released, if not released by the time you see this. So horsepower gain in this thing, you know, it's tough to talk about that. Just one pull in the dyno, really not a big difference. It's really when you're putting it through the paces, more boost, long pulls on the freeway, or constant beating on this thing. That's where this thing really shines. You'll see anywhere from 20 to 30, almost even 40 horsepower once that thing gets taxed. This thing is substantially better. So working on it for a long time. It's a nice unit, larger in every dimension. So stay tuned on our website. We definitely had a lot of cool products for the Ranger we've been working on. Again, thanks for watching our videos.